Welcome to another super quick tutorial video by How to Do That with Matt. Today, we will be showing you our quick guide on the top 5 keyboard shortcuts that can turbocharge your productivity. Whether you're working on a computer or navigating the web, these shortcuts are essential time savers. Let's start with a classic, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or Command+C and Command+V on Mac. These shortcuts allow you to copy text or files and paste them quickly. No more right-clicking and searching through menus. Next up, we have Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y, or Command+Z and Command+Y on Mac. These shortcuts are lifesavers when you make a mistake. Ctrl+Z undoes your last action, and Ctrl+Y redoes it. Simple, yet powerful. Switching between open applications is a breeze with Alt+Tab on Windows or Command+Tab on Mac. It's like having a quick access button for your open programs. Web browsing just got faster. Ctrl+T or Command+T opens a new tab in your browser. No need to reach for that mouse or trackpad. Last but not least, Shortcut 5, Ctrl+S or Command+S is your go-to shortcut for saving your work. Don't risk losing progress by forgetting to save. And there you have it, 5 keyboard shortcuts that can make your computing experience smoother and more efficient. Try them out and watch your productivity soar. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.